Sesenyukele inkulungwaneni ezimbili, amakhulu amahlanu nesithupha, isibalo sabantu asebesuleleke ngegciwane iCovid-19. iGauteng isahamba phambili kulezibalo, ilandelwe iWestern Cape kuze iKwaZulu Natal neEastern Cape. Lokhu kuvezwe ungqongqoshe wezempilo Dr. Zweli Mkhize esithangamini besibanjelwe eGoli lapho amaqembu ebhola likanobhutshuzwayo iOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs ememezele khona ukubambisana nohulumeni ukunxenxa izakhamuzi ukuba ihloniphe umthetho we-lockdown.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uchaze kabanzi ngokubambezeleka kwemphumela yokuhlolwa kwabantu wabeke esechaza ngesibalo sabantu abanqotshwe lesifo wenaba nangezinye izifo ebeyibaphethe.
Today the number has gone up to 2,506, and so we are looking at these numbers. I will report now 7 deaths that have happened since the 9th, that in different days. I will just indicate the dates to which they passed.
Sebengamashumi ezimbili amakhulu amahlanu nesithupha abantu asebehaqwe lesifo eNingizimu Afrika. iGauteng isahamba phambili ngesibalo esiphezulu kuze iWestern Cape kulandele iKwaZulu Natal kanye neEastern Cape.
Gauteng is 930, Western Cape is 657, KwaZulu Natal is 519, Eastern Cape has also increased, is now at 199, and then the Free State is 97. Limpopo at 25, Northwest at 23, Mpumalanga at 22, Northern Cape at 16, and there are still some which are unallocated.
Sishayelwe ihlombe isinqumo samaqembu ezebhola likanobhutshuzwayo sokubamba iqhaza empini necoronavirus.
We really want to thank the leaders here who have made the point very strongly, and on behalf of both the police, the army, as well as the health sector, we want to say thank you for this particular contribution.
Please observe the social distance recommended. Please wash your hands and disinfect surfaces that are shared. And please remember, prevention is better than cure.
Our players from both Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates will embark on a nationwide social media public campaign in a bid to raise awareness and encourage everyone to stay at home and observe strict guidelines of personal hygiene